Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Today, we have an exciting comparison between two top-notch robot vacuums and mops, the Roborock Revo and the iRobot Roomba Combo. These are both highly advanced and innovative products, but which one is the best choice for you? Let's find out. Let's start with the most important aspect for many of us, the price. The Roborock Revo comes with a price tag of $899. While the iRobot Roomba Combo is priced at $349. As you can see, there is a significant price difference between the two. Now let's talk about the docks. The Roborock Revo offers a feature-packed dock with auto mop washing, hot air drying, and a 5L water tank. It even has a self-emptying feature, giving you hands-free cleaning for up to 7 weeks. On the other hand, the iRobot Roomba Combo also has a versatile dock, allowing you to switch between vacuuming and mopping with just a simple bin switch. However, it doesn't offer the same water tank capacity or self-emptying capability as the Revo. When it comes to mopping performance, the Roborock Revo stands out with its dual spinning mops that remove stains effortlessly with a spinning speed of 200 RPM. It also has 30 water flow levels, allowing you to customize the cleaning according to your floor types and preferences. The iRobot Roomba Combo, on the other hand, has a specialized microfiber mop pad designed for wet floor mopping performance. While it does a good job, it may not have the same stain-removing power as the Revo. Moving on to vacuuming power, both the Revo and the Roomba Combo offer impressive suction capabilities. The Revo boasts 5,500 pascals extreme suction, allowing it to capture dust and dirt from various surfaces, including hardwood floors, tiles, and carpets. It also has an all-rubber brush that floats on a multi-directional frame, making it effective in clearing away pet hair. On the other hand, the Roomba Combo features a 4-stage cleaning system with dual multi-surface rubber brushes that adjust to different floor types and prevent tangling with pet hair. Let's talk about navigation and control. The Roborock Revo utilizes reactive tech obstacle avoidance, allowing it to detect and avoid potential obstacles with precision. It also uses PreciSense lidar navigation with 3D mapping technology to create precise maps of your home for accurate and customized cleaning. Plus, it offers an advanced app and voice control options, including support for Amazon Alexa and Siri shortcuts. On the other hand, the iRobot Roomba Combo learns your home and creates an imprint smart map, which you can use to direct it to clean specific rooms. It also supports voice commands with Alexa, Siri, and Google Assistant-enabled devices. According to online reviews, the Roborock Revo is highly praised for its powerful cleaning performance and advanced features. Reviewers mention that it is particularly good at removing pet hair and customizing cleaning according to different floor types. On the other hand, the iRobot Roomba Combo receives positive feedback for its efficient vacuuming and mopping capabilities, as well as its intuitive navigation and control options. There you have it, a detailed comparison between the Roborock Revo and the iRobot Roomba Combo. Both products have their strengths and weaknesses, so it ultimately comes down to your personal preferences and budget. If you're looking for a more multifunctional dock and powerful stain-removing capabilities, the Revo might be the right choice for you. However, if you prefer a more affordable option with efficient vacuuming and mopping performance, the Roomba Combo could be your best bet. Remember to consider your specific needs and priorities before making a decision. That's all for today's video. If you found this comparison helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more buying guides and product comparisons. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.